Good morning. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It's Uncle Tony coming at you live. We're down here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We're here today on Monday morning to do a screen and recoat. Look at the good house mobile, looking good. Anybody needs our service, give us a call. Anywho, we're down here to do a screen and recoat on some solid red oak floors. And I think I got called out here, I'd say it was about 2 weeks ago. I'm down here to take care of their needs today. They're gonna be just doing the kitchen. And let me take you inside, I'll show you what we're up against. It's gonna be a great episode. Got a little bit of wear in the kitchen area. So we're going to be taking, let me get this out of here. We're gonna be doing some color correction, making it look the best we can, screening it down, and getting a new coat of Loba Duo, my favorite. Get these floors protected again. So let me just take you inside. I'm gonna show you what I'm up against. I'm riding solo today. Alrighty, here you go, guys. This is the kitchen and dining room combo. We're doing a screen and recoat today. Got a little bit of wear right here. I'm gonna do a color correction the best I can there. And right here, where they moved the cabinet out, we're gonna try to blend that the best we can. See how we get that. And then we got your typical wear in the walkways here. But when we get a new coat of Duo down, these floors are gonna look great. Alrighty guys, take a look at that. The coat is down, looking beautiful. Alright, we'll see you when it dries. Stick around. Alright everybody, that's the final coat. Look how good that looks. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.